Hello everyone! For today's video, mag-open tayo ng parcel. I ordered this for myself and for my kids also. Because they are both fighting. So, I don't think this is unboxing because it is not a box. I ordered it on TikTok. Yeah. So, this will prove that I am a kid. I am still a kid. I don't think only the kids just play this one. Because I've seen some adults playing this. Well, it is a stress reliever. Okay. Ano ba katang hirap buksan, B? No more edits na to. Bala ka sa buhay. Yeah. Last night, my son keeps fighting with his cousin. Like what I said, if Charles has, Terence should have too. But then, Terence has and Charles don't have. Because that toy is given by my sister-in-law. So I decided to order two for me and Charles. Because Terence already have. Yeah, so it is a puppet. What is this? Oh my god, it's raining. So this is it. Punch it. One for me. And one for girls. Ayoko ng green. I will show you how it works. This is what this is the other one. I like this. I both green. No. Hello, Siro. Hello, it's not good. So you press the back before you tap. But it has a battery, so it has challenge. Okay, we're gonna try to put a battery in it. I have here. It has 3 batteries. Hoy, Tiara Bambam. You need 3 batteries in it. Just the small batteries. So, with on.
Welcome to the push game.
So, you press those has colors. Or light. A red. It has challenge also, like other. You can change the mood. Here. Oh, it's not working. This is a mode. It has level also. Level 2, so it has level. Let me try the other one if it's working. It has different modes, but this one is not working. When I tap the mode, it's not working. So I'm gonna try the other one. What? Charles is crying last night because of this. That's why I bought.
Welcome to the push game.
this one is working so good. It's easy to press the back, but the other one is not. It has mode. Let me try to... Oh,
Level 2. Level 3. Level 4.
Off.
Welcome to the push game. Level 2. Level 3.
Let's see. Oh, hindi na gana yung mode niya. Oops. So that's it. So the mode is not working. Isa lang yung game mode niya. So that's it for today's video. Bye-bye.